So each model combined together. Now we will do the number 5 model. 前面都是4个模型，接下来我们要第5个模型是投票出来的。So from escalar， 投票在哪里 ？Voting in the ensemble。我说过，投票就是在集成 ensemble， 集其大成的意思。Import voting classifier. Voting classifier. So today we will do different voting. One is hard voting. Voting hard. We use the voting classifier. Then the estimators， 它的参数其实就是那些模型。好，这里是一个 freak， 是一个范例哦。第一个 label decision comma the model name is the first. Second, Brandon Forest, comma technical. The third one， 这个我们可以照着我们的这个顺序，你也可以 based on。哪一个最强，让它当地方，但是没有差，因为我们是 hard voting 硬投票，资源项2个 ，oppose vector machine SEX。Then pain is needed. Okay. My order is based on the result. Okay. First, happy. Can you random first? Maybe you random first will be the first one. But don't worry, it's okay. It's hard voting. It's the same. Pain is neighbor. Pain. Union. Neighbor. Okay. This is the first. 这个是第一个参数 estimator。第二个参数是我要告诉他 ，I want to let you know voting is hard and unjust。翻译什么 ？means 我们是这个 parameter， 就是我们是平行。And then I use the Hubble fit, also fit. We use the Hubble fit. Copy. Pass. Pass. Hubble fit. Pass. Hubble fit. Hubble fit. Oh. 那时间会久一点，因为它是5个模型哈。Hubble fit time is will be longer than the other model. The Hubble fit is 0.75. 0.75. Okay. Also, we can use solve the voting. We just copy the same thing. Everything is copied, and here we use the solve. So what's the difference? The hard voting here, we use the solve. And everything could be replaced. Hard by stop. Stop. And done. Okay, stopped. 就比较高了。哎，这个我没改到吗？Sorry. Based on the probability, if the result is getting better. In this case, soft voting 就可以到0.87，是很棒的结果。Good. Okay, I start here. 让你跟上哈。